Good morning, futures traders. Today is June 10th, the time 9:29. We're going to be trading the NASDAQ Open today using the Quant Alpha system. We have about 30 seconds, so it looks like we're setting up for a possible S3 here. We do have a quant short that is valid. We are approaching our prior day close and open here. We do have our zone here. Don't have a lot of room, so it's going to be tough. We're going to have to get past this prior day's open down here in order to get to 80 ticks. So we'll wait at the open and see what it looks like. All right, market's open. So you see we had a lot of quant signals pre-market since around 9 o'clock, which signifies that we're in a range. So you can see that by the way price is moving here. So if we get a high volume bar here, we'll look for an S3 long. We have plenty of room to the prior day high. This is the daily support here, resistance here.
NQ Quant Long.
NQ Quant Long.
We'll put it right above this.
Order submitted.
Order submitted.
Assuming it closes above the 100 EMA, which it did. So we're going to place the order above this daily high here. And we have about 80 ticks to the prior day high. I'll pause the video until we have any change. All right, you can see here we did have a high volume sell, but again, we can't take an S3 short because we have no room. We have the current and prior day opens here and the current close open. So we just need to wait until we get below this area here.
Order canceled.
So this order here for now. It would still be a valid S3.
Order
here.
submitted.
Order submitted.
This is a valid S1. Well, it's not valid because we don't have 80 ticks, but it did close above. So the next thing we look for is, do we have at least 80 ticks? We don't. So it's invalid. So we're either going to look for a high volume long or for an S2 that closes above the 100, or an S3, which will close above this zone up here. So you can see we have high volume buy here. So we wait. This is a good example of chop. You can see here, high volume buy, high volume sell, high volume quant long, sell, buy, sell. So I anticipate it's going to be like this because of the CPI tomorrow, which will be fine if we don't take a trade. All right, I'm also placing my sell below the prior day open here. because we have some high volume on the short side. And again, it's using the current open and the prior day's close as support right now. Okay, so you can see we're still going back and forth ranging. We still are in a valid, so I will put this back now
Order
above the
submitted.
daily here. If this is a high volume bar here, then that's going to be a valid S2. If this closes above the 100 and we have at least 80 ticks and it's a high volume, we can place our order above.
Order canceled.
Okay, so not an S2, no high volume. And we wouldn't have had enough room between here and the daily resistance. So we wait. All right, we are approaching our zone here.
Order
We
filled.
are in an order.
Order filled.
All right, we're done for the day. So we are at 2,277.80 with the copy, 373. Patience perseveres. Again, Quant Alpha did a great job of keeping us out of the chop. And it paid off for us. So 373. I'd also
Order
like
submitted.
to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, David, who's been using the Quant Alpha for a couple weeks now. He just got funded, and I got his payout. So I think he submitted a payment for $500, and he just got paid $500. So congratulations to David. Great job using Quant Alpha. I will be starting this trade room consistently as well. I'm currently talking to a company and getting a demo of their software on trade room software. So stay tuned on that. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to shoot me an email, send me a Discord message, leave a comment in the videos. Happy to answer as much as I can. If you're new to the channel, please do like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. And as always, thank you to my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. Back at it tomorrow, and we will see you soon. All right, here is the updated trade journal with today's entry of 373.80. So as you can see, for the month of June, we're at 2889.60 with a win rate of 86%. Overall, since April 1st, we have an average win rate of 88%. We have 5 losses, and we do like to keep our losses of $1,000 or less. So you can see here we've been doing a pretty good job of that. So if you are interested in this strategy, we do trade it every day. I am starting up a trade room that I will be trading live consistently in that, just looking at some software to make it a little bit easier to do. If you are interested in a strategy, I have the link in the description. I also have a link in the video here. Just use code TFTrader if you want a nice discount. I think you'll get it for $650 for the entire strategy for life for 2 machines. So it is a really good deal, and it's a strategy that, as you can see, has been working very well. And as you heard earlier, I did have one of my subscribers get funded and get paid using this strategy. So come join us. Anyway, have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.